Today on Kitchen Guy, we're making Kung Pao chicken. Your family's going to love this Chinese restaurant favorite. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken breast meat, boneless, skinless, and cubed. Then in a bowl, take a tablespoon and a half of sherry along with some cornstarch, some salt and white pepper. Mix that together. And then add the chicken. Toss it to coat. And then add a tablespoon of oil, toss it some more, and set the bowl aside for 15 minutes to marinate. I made a cooking sauce consisting of soy sauce, white wine vinegar, chicken broth, sherry, cornstarch, and sugar. Now heat a wok or large sauté pan, add about a tablespoon of oil, then 4 dried red chilies, and a half a cup of salted peanuts. Stir it around until the chilies start to brown, but be careful not to let them burn. Now take everything out of the pan and add some more oil, and then about a cup and a half of broccoli, and then stir fry it until it's tender crisp. Add some more oil, then raise the heat, and then add in the marinated chicken. And saute it until it's nice and golden brown. Then in some chopped garlic, and some chopped ginger, and some sliced green onions. And then add back everything else, including the cooking sauce. And cook it until the sauce boils and thickens. Get this recipe and more information by logging on to the website or writing to me here at the station.